Why is goal number 14, life below water, important to you?
Well, first of all, the oceans cover approximately 2/3 of the globe, so it's a vast area, and it has many resources, of course, that we need. It also puts human governance structures to the test, because it's often seen as the last frontier, in the sense that many enterprises, companies, even individuals perceive of the oceans as an unexploited and partly unregulated area where activities that maybe you shouldn't engage in or wouldn't engage in on the land are still seen as permissible on the oceans. It also puts our governance regimes to the test, because it requires a huge amount of coordination and coordinated action in order for us to sustainably use and preserve those areas.
Why is coordination so difficult?
Well, I think there are different layers or aspects to this, but one part, of course, is that if we look at the development during the 20th century, we can see that states have tried to reserve as large parts of the ocean as possible for their own territorial domination or their own jurisdiction, to utilize the resources in there. And that, I think, has hampered sort of the collective or cooperative spirit. But then also the vastness of the oceans and the fact that they are sort of physically available to everyone makes it challenging to agree on large-scale solutions, because it only takes a few actors who don't want to cooperate, and that can undermine an effort that has the support of many others.
In what way does your research contribute to reach goal number 14?
Well, I hope that I can contribute with a small piece of understanding this complexity of different governance layers, of international law, of regional EU law, of national perspectives, and also of combining, hopefully, a deep understanding of the legal part of the huge jigsaw puzzle that is international ocean governance.
Could you choose one of the other goals that is also important to you and describe how these two goals are connected to each other?
That's very hard, because the oceans, they connect to almost everything, I would say. But if I'm forced to decide, I think I would opt for goal number 2, end of hunger, because I think the oceans are key to future sustainable production of nutritious and sustainable food.
Are you an optimist or a pessimist for the future?
Well, as a researcher, I'm driven by curiosity, and I think also a want to contribute to a positive development. So in that sense, I guess I'm an optimist, yes.